What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Gardein released their new line of canned chilies and soups. And today, I'm going to try these out and let you know what I think. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So to show you what I'm trying out here, I have their chili with beans as well as their chili without beans. I have their chicken and noodle, as well as their chicken and rice, their beef and vegetable, their Italian wedding, their sausage gumbo, and their minestrone and sausage. All right, let's try all these out. So I've tried them out now, and to give my thoughts. For the chili, I hate to say it, but I wasn't very impressed. I've definitely had better vegan canned chili, so I don't think I would get that again. As for the chicken and rice and the chicken noodle, I was actually surprised. I like the chicken and rice better. There was something just kind of off about the noodles, I thought, but the chicken and rice was really good, and definitely the kind of thing I would reach for on a cold winter day. I think my favorite out of all of them was the minestrone and sausage. It just had a lot of stuff that I personally like, and the vegan sausage was really good too. Overall, I think this is a neat new product line from Gardein, and I think if they keep trying to improve the recipes and adding more flavors, I think this could be something really great. If you want to try any of these out, the only place I've been able to find all of them is at Whole Foods, so I would look there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.